The first, the moral dilemma is I saw my best friend stealing something in the supermarket. Of course, I didn't tell anyone. She's my best friend. What do you think?
Well, I think that if I had been in that situation with my best friend, I would have told her something like, "What is happening to you, bitch? You're not like that." Um, because I know that she wouldn't do that only if she were so in a hurry or in a problem. So I obviously try to manage with the situation in the most lower profile that I can because it's my best. I don't want to make her feel uncomfortable or things like that. Also, if she had told me that she really needed but she couldn't afford it, I will decide to pay the things for her and give her a thought about why stealing is wrong. So, what about you, Christy?
Um, I don't know. I really hate commercial chains. They are awful. And they don't lose money when you stole something. Uh, if I saw someone selling from a commercial chain, I didn't tell anyone. But if I saw my bestie selling something from anywhere, I don't know. I would asking her why. I can say anywhere anything if I don't know why is she doing that.
Okay, that's a good point.
I totally agree with you. Money is dangerous, isn't a joke. That is definitely illegal. I suppose that if I saw something like that, I will check who is this guy because if he is no one important, I send the anonymous note. But if he is someone important, like I don't know, the boss son or something like that, um, I would resign because I wouldn't like be in a job with these family values, and then that could give me problems to me too.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's a very complicated thing.
Yeah.
Okay,
I totally agree with you. Money is dangerous, isn't a joke. That is definitely illegal. I suppose that if I saw something like that, I will check who is this guy because if he is no one important, I send the anonymous note. But if he is someone important, like I don't know, the boss son or something like that, um, I would resign because I wouldn't like be in a job with these family values, and then that could give me problems to me.
okay, so let's pass to our last dilemma. So
Please.
it is in our final exam at the university, I saw a student in our year look at the answers in a small piece of paper. I didn't say anything because it wasn't anything to do with me. What do you think about that?
I don't know. I think it depends on the subject. Any degree has some subject that isn't essential for the career. So if I needed to study for a calculus exam, I gonna spend time studying for epistemology. So I will copy in epistemology. But on the other hand, if it was a thermodynamic exam and I saw someone cheating, dude, I will tell the teacher, no one that couldn't remember the laws of thermodynamics should be called an engineering.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, I I think that your point is a little bit rude But I understand it. I know what you're trying to say, but for me, I don't know. I think that if I were that student, I couldn't do that because I think that dishonesty equals to be a bad person, but also because I get nervous so fast. So if I try to hide something, I will be discovered for sure. So okay, but in the other thing, on the other hand, everyone knows these days that an exam is not a reflect of what you are truly learning in the career or things like that. And anyways, as it not as that's not my business, I think I would say a word. I wouldn't say a word about what happened. Are worried about what other students do. Just keep on our business, and that's all.
Yeah, but we should ask how he put all the answer in a small piece of paper.
Yeah,
I need that tip.
we need that tip a lot for tomorrow.
Yes.